Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Cooking for Men YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some steak rub. Basically, the steak rub comes from one of my friend Mike, and there's his ingredients: black pepper, 1/4 cup; salt, 1/4 cup; grounded coriander seed, 4 tablespoons; smoked paprika, also a 1/4 cup. If you just have the standard paprika, it works also. Onion powder, 2 tablespoons. And there's one thing that I'm adding that Mike doesn't have in his recipe is some ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. You can remove that if you want. I like the ginger. Ginger is really good to get the hormone going and good to put in there. So the taste of this spice is more or less for steak. It wouldn't be a spice that I would put on an actual roast or anything like a pork roast or beef roast. I would probably use it just for steak, tomahawk steak, or any other type of steak. This rub, it takes about 5 minutes to make. It comes to be quite a bit cheaper if you compare it to other rubs. Obviously, the one that you buy at the store, you'll end up having the equivalency of about a cup, just over a cup, and that should last you. Depending on how much cooking you're doing, it probably lasts you a couple of weeks or a month. The rub itself, it's really important to get it all mixed up and making sure that there's no product that's not mixed, because the worst thing you can do is when you start putting it on is to get one big lump of ginger or something, and that just throws off the taste itself. So when the rub is mixed and you're happy with that, you can either put it in a different container, something that's easier to pour, or you can just put it in a small plastic container or glass container and use it as you wish. So what we're going to do next is I'm actually going to show you how I put the rub on this on a steak. So I'm doing a bit of avocado oil just to make sure that the rub actually sticks. When I'm doing the rub on the steak, I try to do it at least minimum 5 minutes before, so it adds time to soak. And then if you really want to do a good job, if you can put the rub at least an hour before on the steak, that will help out. So I'm putting the avocado oil on the steak, and I'm just kind of pushing it in to make sure that it goes right through. So when I put the actual rub on, it's going to stick really, really well, and then I won't lose any when I'm actually flipping the steak around the barbecue and things like that. So once I'm happy with the oil, make sure I got everywhere, I start putting the rub on. The rub it really depends how much you want to put. If you want to put a lot or very little, up to your taste again. What I suggest is try a few things, and then once you're happy with the actual density of the rub, then that's where you go. Same thing with the actual quantity on the mix. You may like paprika a bit more than anything else, so you put that on. This is what it should look like when it's ready to go on the barbecue. And I'm obviously putting a bit of veggie on it. Hey, thanks for watching the channel, and hopefully you like it, and have a good one, and see you guys soon.